G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's April 5th, 2023. This is the spot silver price update. You can see here on the other three timelines, the daily, the 4 hourly and the hourly, we're all in an upswing, which means we take only long trades, no short trades. So let's drill on each of these. On the daily, you can see here, it's actually broken up past this resistance area we drew, and it's now approaching this new area, and there's no lines, no side of any particular new resistance forming, and as soon as that happens I'll let you know. There is this diagonal trend line I've drawn. Now that's just a rough indicator so far, so it may rest at that level there, but again, as soon as I find a new resistance area, I'll draw that and post it in a future video. But I've just deleted that previous resistance, and we'll see how far the price is going to go. On the 4 hour time frame, you can see here it's really respecting this diagonal trend line, and it's gravitated back to it, and it's been going that way for some time now, for most of March and April so far. I've also drawn this Fibonacci extension, and it's initially rested at the 100% level for a number of hours, and then it broke up more recently and gone past the 123 level, and now sitting at coming towards this further ascending trend line and approaching the 161 Fibonacci extension. On the hourly chart, again, you can see there only long trades, but going back in a bit of history as well, you can just notice there was a divergence on the price chart, a bullish divergence versus a bearish divergence on the CCI. And divergence can occur in many indicators like MACD, RSI, Stochastic. We're using the CCI 1500 in this case, and it was a bearish divergence, and it would have been a nice little trade had you gone short once it broke to the downside there and followed that down, and then until more recently it's taking a bit of an upswing, so taking only long trades in line with the 4 hour and a daily chart. Also notice I've got another trading idea using the fractals, and again that would have been a nice area to go long when the bar breaks above the fractal there, and that blue line indicates where a potential target would have been at 1%, so it would have been closed out at that point there. The previous trade you would have made is when it broke above the fractal at that point, the target was set there at 1%, and that would have been the same target area on that particular bar. Likewise, another area would have been down here. It broke above the fractal. The target would have been set there, and that would have been at the same bar as an exit or a close. So again, to get more understanding and various strategy approaches for entering and exiting the trades, reference some of the playlists or links in the description below. Support us more on Patreon, subscribe and like us, and we'll see you in a future video.